Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check battery health and charging stats on the Honor 600 Pro. So if you want to check what's the condition of your battery and the stats of your charging habits, I'm going to show you how to check that. So first off, we're going to open up settings, then scroll down to battery. And then we are going to scroll down again and find the battery health option. So click on more battery settings. And then here we have the maximum capacity. So this is the battery health. And here we have 100%. So this phone is pretty good. It could be different for you. And here we have the charging stats. So we have things like battery usage, and we have other stuff. So we can click on more battery settings and enable things like safe charging, stay connected while asleep, power consumption alert, smart charging, and that is pretty much it. So this is how you can check it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.